The best orthopedic surgeons and companies in the world choose precision instruments by Enztec. For over 25 years, we have invested in open, honest relationships, ensuring we truly understand our customers' needs, providing efficient and effective instrument solutions. It's what we know and do. From our own line of Enztec instruments to bespoke product solutions and contract manufacturing services, we strive for perfection and provide a complete package, including regulatory compliance to customers around the globe. Every single step in our manufacturing process is vitally important. That's why from the beginning we listen to your needs, resulting in a complete solution delivered on time. The result? Precision instruments without compromise. Enztec orthopedic instruments, crafted, precise, trusted.